In today's video, we are learning how to read your pay stub. There are a few sections to your pay stub. At the top left, you will see your name and employee info. In the top right-hand corner, there's a box for current and year-to-date earnings. This shows your total gross earnings, total deductions, and total net pay. This is the amount that will be deposited to your bank. Just outside the box is the date your net pay will be deposited to your account. Below that, you will see your grid salary placement with your step and category and FTE. In the earnings box, we have rate, units, current, and year-to-date amount. At the end of each month, you will see a negative advance amount on your pay stub. This is the recovery of the advance you were paid on the 15th of the month. You will see a salary earnings line. This is your total salary for the month. You will also see other salaries, earnings, and benefits in this section, depending if you are eligible for these under the NWTTA agreement. At the bottom of this box, you will see gross earnings for current and year-to-date. Current is the total earnings for this pay period. Year-to-date is the total earnings you have earned since January to the current month. The next section is for deductions. We have employee, current and year-to-date, employer, current and year-to-date, and taxable benefit, current and year-to-date. In the employee column, we have deductions that the employee has paid for this period. In the employer column, we have current and year-to-date deductions that the employer has paid. In the taxable benefits column, we have current and year-to-date amounts. These amounts are benefits that the employer has paid that the employee must pay tax on. At the bottom of this box, we have the total deductions for current year-to-date employee, current year-to-date employer, and current year-to-date taxable benefit. The next section is accruals. We have columns for opening balance, earned, used, and closing balance. Opening balance is for any accruals that have been carried forward to the current period. The earned column is for any accruals that have been earned for this pay period. Teaching staff earn their accruals in September of every year. The used column shows accruals that have been used in this pay period. The closing balance column is the sum of your opening, earned, and used balances. This amount will carry forward to the next period. At the bottom, we have messages and note to employee. This is where you may see messages from payroll regarding this pay period. Pay periods start the 16th of the previous month and end the 15th of the current month. Pay day is the last day of the month with an advance on the 15th of the month. If this day happens to fall on a weekend or holiday, you will be paid on the closest business day. When you receive your pay stub, please take a few minutes to review it. If you notice any errors or omissions, please contact payroll to have them reviewed.